Hello everybody and welcome
hello.
to Unbox. As you can see, kulang kami ng dalawang tao, but they're on their way, so expect them to be here in a few minutes. Joining, of course, I'm Carlo and
Ison.
I'm Jamie. I'm the temporary host.
So to kick things off, later now we'll be showing with you guys a few new gadgets, including the just launched LG G2 Mini. As in, tonightly launch, and we'll be able to show you a unit. And of course, yung pinaka-pinag-uusapan na local branded smartphone ngayon, the MyPhone Rio. So those are the two main topics of discussion for tonight. But to kick things off, meron tayong our usual chismisan section. Diba? So meron tayong three main chismis ngayon. So unang-una sa lahat, sa world of technology, yung number one complaint ng mga tao this week is yung mabagal na internet ng PLDT.
Yeah.
So naranasan niyo ba yun, guys?
Oo naman.
Ako hindi.
Oo, naglalaro kami ng Diablo 3 ni Jamie. Wala, palpak eh. Bagal.
Nakaka-clear pa naman tayo, pero...
Level 9 na
It
ako.
only works in the evening, pero paghapon, medyo. Pero maganda naman yung timing. According to PLDT, it was already fixed. So we should be able to resume rift clearing and all of that shit in a more timely manner. Diba? And also, of course, yung mga hindi pa nakakapanood ng Game of Thrones, dahil okay na yung PLDT, pwede na kayo mag-torrent ngayon naman sa bilis.
I have that.
Diba? So, maganda yun, definitely. So, yun yung una. Ngayon, sinubukan namin alamin, no, kung bakit mabagal daw yung internet. Ang daming rason. Pero yung sources namin from inside PLDT, ang sinabi, kinagat daw ng pating yung underwater cable. Oh, pare. Kinagat daw ng pating. Pero ang ganda ng pag-explain sa akin. Pag-explain kasi sa akin is, yung Philippines daw kasi, archipelago. Maraming islands.
Yeah.
So halos lahat daw talaga ng cables underwater.
Yeah.
So talaga daw pag bumabagal yung internet, they have to go to look at all the cables and find out kung saan yung nagkaroon ng problema.
Okay.
Makes you think gano'ng kalaki yung pating, no?
As
Grabe.
megalodon yun or
Well,
something.
but anyway, so...
Nasa seabed no?
pero at least ayos na, di ba?
Yeah,
So, lahat ng mga nag-internet dyan,
3 weeks of torment sa mga internet friends
well,
natin.
more than torment pag nasa Diablo ka. So, nas mga dyan nag-Diablo lang mga kagets.
Wala, level 9 pa lang ako eh.
Ang bagal mo naman, dude.
1 hour a day lang.
Come on.
Yeah.
That's depressing. But anyway, so yun yung una nating pinakaunang chismis. Yung second naman is ang ating Boy Abunda moment.
Yes.
Diba? May dalawa tayong hot piece of info about people in the tech world. So yung pinakauna, yung dating taga-N, spotted siya sa Samsung event. Oh, sino kaya yun? One of the senior, parang ano ba yun, VP ba? O,
Senior officer.
Basta senior officer ng N, nasa Samsung event. With her curly hair. Curly ba?
Ang alam ko, yes.
Okay, with her curly hair. So,
Bakit kaya?
malamang nandun na siya sa Samsung. Or kung di man, she works with the distributor of Samsung. Basta nakita siya sa Samsung event. Kilala mo ba yun, Ison?
Isang pangalan lang.
Huwag na natin banggitin. Tapos yung second na tech chismis natin is may isang taga-Asus. Hindi ko kilala kung sino. Nag-resign na daw. Nag-resign na ba?
Marami.
Marami na daw nag-resign. Pero may isang taga-Asus nag-resign, tapos pinag-iisipan niya kung sasali siya sa isang social media company. Pwede na yan, no?
Okay.
Di ba? So pinag-iisipan pa niya, hindi pa siya nagde-decide. Hindi pa siya nagde-decide, di ba, Ison? Hindi pa nagde-decide.
Hindi, nag-decide na siya eh.
Nag-decide na siya. So doon siya lilipat.
Sabi.
So Ison, bakit mo sa tingin siya lumipat?
Wala, greener pasture siguro. Kahit lahat sa buong office, tanong kami ng tanong eh.
Nang?
Kung bakit?
Tapos yung sagot palagi ng taong yun is greener pastures.
Oh.
Okay. So magpapakain yung taong yun pagkatapos na to.
Dahon.
Ng greener pass.
Kailan daw magsisimula itong taong to sa kanyang bagong trabaho? Hindi pa alam.
Hindi pa alam.
Pero kung nakikinig ka man, kung sino ka man taga-Asus, good luck sa'yo.
Good luck.
Ay, naku Lord. Pero seriously, good luck sa taong yun. I'm sure you will do very, very well wherever you are. Diba? So, ikaw, gusto mo ba siya batiin ng good luck?
Of course naman.
Diba? Batiin mo siya ng good luck.
Oh, good luck.
Fuck tayo dyan. But anyway, so yun yung two major tao na lilipat. Nasa na ba sila dyan? Diba? Pero meron, bago tayo pumunta sa gadgets, ang ating weekly toy segment.
Yes.
So meron akong papakita sa inyo, ang ating bagong acquisition. Next, no? So, Ay, nasa na yung buhok niya? Wala yung buhok ko.
Wait lang ah.
Wait lang.
Ayan, there we go.
Okay. So, di ba you guys know na I've been collecting tawag dito yung mga 1/6
lot of
figures. So, this one is the newest one that we got just recently, like as in yesterday. Hindi mo, mga last week yata. So, pakita lang natin yung picture. Ay, pakita lang natin. Parang Barbie dolls for men.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pwede ba natin zoom in? Ooh. Ay, saan yung camera? Dito, di ba?
Yan.
Yan, sakto. Oh. Diba, magic. Woo.
Uy, may effect pa.
May effect. Ooh.
Parang nag-raging demon na siya.
So, this is the Kids Logic 1/6 scale figure ni Goki.
Ano yung ultimate skill niyan? Ano
Raging
tawag
Demon or si Akuma. So, it measures a little over 12 inches. So, medyo matangkad siya, di ba, compared to other figures. Gawa siya sa PVC material, yung dibdib niya, yung arms niya. The cloth for the gi is actually made of real cloth.
Nice.
Nax, diba? Tapos very articulate. So, pwede mo siya i-pose kung ano man gusto mong pose.
Oh,
So, hindi lang siya statue. So, kung gusto mo ng Dragon Punch, o yan, Shoryuken, diba? Magaganon siya. Or gusto mo bumalik sa second childhood mo, pwede siya, diba? So, actually, maganda yung build. Pwede siya mo i-pose dun sa mga familiar poses na nakikita mo sa, diba? Yung mga ganyan.
Pero wala pang Hadouken, di ba?
Ano, may kamay siya eh. May dalawang extra kamay.
Yes, Hadouken
Ito.
hands.
Hadouken hands.
So, pwede mong ipalit, tapos magkakaroon na siya ng Hadouken hands.
Sobrang hirap kasi ng mechanical na fingers eh, no?
Oh, pero this one's really nice. No? Ako, I've collected a lot of 1/6 figures. And this one is actually currently my favorite. Well, that because I'm probably fan ako sobra ng
State
series, no?
Pero
And
among the figures that you already have, parang that's one of, I guess, siguro, because it's a cartoon or it's not based off a real character, na maganda yung likeness niya.
oh, actually, tsaka maganda yung proportion ng katawan eh, na medyo malaki yung ulo, diba, malaki yung katawan, maganda yung level of detail, and pwede mo tanggalin to, so tatanggalin natin yung ulo, tapos pag pinutin mo yung button,
Iilaw.
balik natin.
Parang freaky niyan. Pag nakalimutan mo siya, tapos
Whoa!
Wow, umiilaw yung mata.
Oh, di ba? Umiilaw yung mata. So, LED light siya, battery powered. Pwede mo na lang patiran yung battery after. So, ganyan siya. So, pag nakauwi ka sa bahay, tapos hindi mo naka-on, tapos nakapatay yung ilaw, pag nakita mo, patay, oh, di ba? So, this one is the Akuma 1/6 scale figure from Kids Logic. It retails for, di ba usually yung mga previous toys na pinakita ko above 10,000. Yeah. So this one is a bit cheaper, pero I don't think people will still find it cheap.
8?
No, it's at 6.5.
Oh, wow.
Diba? So, parang presyo lang ng My Phone Rio.
Yes, no.
Mas mahal
Na
pa
may
sa
isa
My
pang
Phone Rio.
entry-level phone.
Oo, diba? So, yan yung tinatawag natin na Akuma Kids Logic. Diba? Maganda na siya eh. Actually, tonto ako sa kanya. May lalabas pa in the next few days yung Ryu, yung Ken, tapos pati Chun-Li, tsaka Kami. So, 6.5 times
Sakura.
4.
Si Sakura pa, mga ganun.
So I'm sure you're gonna need more cases.
Yeah, naubusan na ako ng case. So anyway, yan ang ating toy feature of the week. O, di ba? Ang cute. Next week, dadalhin ko yung Batmobile ni Batman.
Okay,
Yan, sobrang laki nun. As in, I'll bring
Mas malaki pa dito.
the 1989 and kung kaya ng kotse ko, pati yung Tumbler. Kasi both eh.
Oo nga.
Yung kay Christian Bale,
Sa trunk yung...
Saka yung pinaka-original.
tsaka yung pinaka nauna. Nag-order ako yung kay Adam West.
No way.
Oh, yung black na red.
Same scale.
Oh, same scale. Maubusan na nga talaga ako ng space sa bahay.
Kulang na lang yung kama niya. Hindi
diba?
na din na nakalagay.
But anyway, so yan ulit si Akuma. And
Okay.
ang ating next topic. O, diba? Ang bilis natin ngayon. John, nasa ka na? O, diba? Ang next topic natin ngayon is speaking of Philippine internet, it actually celebrated its 20th birthday. 20 years na ang internet sa Pilipinas.
March 29? Tama ba?
I don't know. March 29. Oh, basta
March
nagka- smart
29, 3:14 a.m. I think something like that.
How was the event? You were there?
Wala, may kasama daw namin yung founding fathers of the Philippine internet. Tapos nung tinanong ko sa kanila kung sino may Facebook, konti lang. Well, apparently, iba talaga usage ng internet back then. No?
True.
Diba? Actually, ang ganda ng kwento eh. Kwento nung one of the founders nga. When they say founders, sila yung una nag-connect.
Yeah.
So may nahanap silang sobrang laking router that was worth like 70,000 USD. Tapos they were able to connect the Philippines to...
Ano ba yung pinakauna? Dial-up ba? Or
Or malamang dial-up.
before
talaga,
that, meron
diba?
pa?
So, Naalala naman natin yung mga panahon ng mga ISP Bonanza, di ba?
Hindi, akin before yung may CD pa na dial-up.
Ano yung para EDSA mail?
Parang ganun, yung i-install mo pa yung software galing sa CD bago mo i-connect dun sa ISP. Wala pa yung dialer ng Windows XP yun eh.
Nabuto mo yun, James?
Hindi ko nga maalala.
Kasi Windows 98 wala pang dialer ng dial-up.
Oo nga.
Kailangan may ano ka pa.
May installer ka.
Yung modem mo na
Ano ba
ginagamit mo, may software pa.
Ano nga ba yung sa amin sa bahay? Basta I remember that na wala pa siyang built-in dialer.
Yeah. Tapos ano pa yun?
Paano gagana yun? Pag pinasok mo yung CD, tsaka lang siya magda-dial.
Hindi, kasi nandun yung software eh.
Oh, imagine nyo, swerte nyo na ngayon, guys. Oh, di ba yung mga nakikinig sa atin, malamang, actually ako naabutan ko pa yun, yung kailangan mo pa i-scratch yung card.
Yeah, ako din.
Tapos kailangan mong...
ISP Bonanza.
Go. What was Manila? Manila something.
Actually, naabutan ko yung internet nung medyo bata pa siya, but I never had the need to use it until nagkaroon ng Ragnarok.
Yeah.
Diba? Tapos nung nagkaroon ng Ragnarok, doon na ako umubos ng ISP Bonanza tsaka PLDT Vibe as if
yun yung sila. A month nakaka 2,000 ako. Just for dial-up internet.
A month?
Dahil sa Ragnarok.
Di ba may...
Kasi ko yun patingi-tingi. Since hingi kang baon sa nanay mo, hindi ka naman makakaisang bagsak.
Okay. And we'd like to welcome our late co-hosts.
I will get out of here.
Thank you, Jamie, for subbing.
Thank you.
Sorry, guys.
No problem.
Slowly appear out of nowhere.
Hi.
Well, hindi ka rin makita ng camera.
Hindi ka pa rin kasama.
Okay.
Pwede ba natin
Pan
zoom
out.
out ng konti?
Pan out ako. Ayan.
Ang dami nyo na-miss na pinag-usapan namin.
Ano na nangyari sa inyo?
Amazing.
Aking bagong toy. Oh, di ba? Oh, but anyway, ano yung pinag-usapan natin? 100th anniversary.
20th. 100
Tagal na.
20th anniversary ng internet. So, happy birthday Philippine Internet. And,
Happy birthday.
We
Thank
hope
you for
na
changing everyone's lives.
correct. At
Yes.
sana gumanda pa in the next few years to go. At sana maging shark-proof na mga cable ng PLDT.
You were talking about the cable break?
Yeah, na
Made everything slow.
kinain ng shark.
So what?
Really?
Sources from PLDT namin yun. Kinain daw ng
wow.
shark. Malay mo.
Is it made of fish?
Malay mo, akala nila tentacle ng octopus or something.
Lahat
Diba?
na lang no?
Anyway.
Okay, so that wraps up the show. Ay, the joke.
Joke lang.
And then that wraps up the chismis portion. May mga chismis kami kanina na miss nyo eh. Sabi ko spotted sa event ng Samsung.
May taga
Dating high profile ng N.
Brand
Officer ng
N. Brand N.
Na N din start ng pangalan niya.
Kilala ko yun.
Kilala ko din yun.
So yun yung unang chismis.
I know who that is.
Kasabi ko yung pangalawang chismis, isang taga-Asus, nag-resign, tapos pupunta na sa isang social media company.
Balita ko, pogi daw yun.
Balita ko nga
Oo
pogi
nga eh.
din eh, di ba? Medyo singkit. Medyo lang, pero hindi naman
Yes,
sobra.
Kind of.
Ang hirap kalabanin.
Oh, pero sabi niya, rason daw, greener pastures.
Greener pasture.
So magpapakain talaga siya pagkatapos na to, no?
Sarap.
Di pa ako nagdi-dinner. Nag-dinner na kayo, guys?
Damo nga, ano ba?
Busog na ako, pero hindi ako
Salad.
humihindi sa
Pero
libre.
hindi kami humihindi sa libreng pagkain.
Oo,
Oy, galing
correct.
kayong LG.
Greener pastures. Okay, game. So punta na tayo sa gadget section. Kanina pa namin kayo sinustall.
Sorry, guys.
Well, by the way, sorry
Sorry,
kasi we had to steal a product from
LG.
Pero
Oh, so baka we can start with that, no? So, John, can you take us through, ano ba that? The LG G2 Mini.
This is the LG G2 Mini, which actually turned off. Yeah, so I'm turning it on. Sorry. It's literally like,
As in,
we
kinuha
took
namin
it
from
from
the
the event. Like, the guards was, is he taking a phone?
No, that's mine.
It's
So, anyway.
mine.
Buti na lang pumayag sila sa inyo. Sila, DDB yung PR yan, di
Mukha
ba?
daw
Yeah.
katiwa-tiwala
Sila
si John.
I charmed it with
Mag-hello ka naman kay Miss M. De joke.
Hello, Ma'am Millet.
Thank you for the
Thank you
invite.
for allowing us to steal your phone. Not
Wow.
actually steal, but borrow.
So, paano nyo kinuha? As in, dinampot nyo mula sa
Ay,
stand?
hindi. Inabot naman sa amin ng PR.
Actually,
Inabot naman sa amin.
two phones were launched today. So the LG G Pro 2, which is the 5.9-inch phablet, and the LG G2 Mini. We only managed to get the
Dito yung camera, sir.
No, actually.
Andi
Yung may
dito
ilaw,
daw eh,
yung
pag
may
close
ilaw.
up.
Ayun,
Yung
there-
pula.
Yan.
There we go. So,
Kinaload slide.
so there were two products that was actually launched today. It was the LG G.
Sige, magsalita ka lang, baba
Yun,
yung
there we go.
brightness.
So G2 Mini, G Pro 2, and the LG G2 Mini.
Mini.
we were only managed to liberate the G2 Mini.
Ayan,
This
okay na
is
yan.
basically a shrunken version of the G2. I know Carlo really likes the G2.
Yeah,
So-
one of the best phones for me from last year.
So basically, the G2 Mini takes the same design aesthetic of the G2. So the buttons on the back.
Yeah, ito yung rear, I think they call it the rear key.
Yeah, the rear key.
Ganyan siya, oh.
It also has the software enhancements of the G2 and also a couple of new ones, the knock code. Basically, pag nilock mo yung phone mo, a series of knocks on different areas of the screen will unlock the phone.
Kailangan different areas.
Pwedeng say, depende kung ano
Yung combination.
yung combination mo. So it all depends on
Is
what
it based on location or the frequency and of the taps?
there's pareho.
So pwedeng kinyari tak 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 tak
Yes,
tak,
yes. So LG basically tells, parang they say, this feature is present on the G Pro 2 and this one, and a software upgrade will give it to the G2. So if you're a G2 owner, you will get that soon. LG says there's like 82,000 possible combinations of the knocks for the device. So yun.
Pero it looks really nice, no?
Yes. So
Pero parang medyo makapal siya, di ba?
konti, slightly. So basically, it's
Pwede.
like anything na may meaning tag. It's a downgrade. Parang yung hardware niya is obviously a downgrade.
Do you remember the specs?
Snapdragon 400.
400.
Quad-core yun, diba?
4.7
Yes.
inch. Yep.
Is that the same processor as the S3?
Similar to Snapdragon S4 yung last year, like, or the Xperia Z.
No, I'm asking the
S4
phone,
is
the
600.
Galaxy S3.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
I think you say it's the same processor as the S3.
Yeah. So there's also a variant na may Tegra. I'm not exactly sure if this one is using either the Tegra
Transparent
or
talaga.
We'll find out later on. when
Palitan ko
we-
lang yung wallpaper para mo like green.
We'll find out
Nakaka-distract
later
eh.
when we actually take it apart.
It's dual SIM. Sorry,
It's
ngayon ko
dual
lang
SIM.
napansin.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
Ba,
Well,
not
actually,
bad,
halos lahat ng Snapdragon 400 dual SIM.
Dual SIM. kayo.
talaga?
Remember, Snapdragon 400 is what the Cherry Mobile LTE, I think.
Yep.
uses.
No. S4 LTE yun eh.
Ayan, pwede pa zoom in ulit.
Snapdragon.
Para makita nila yung screen kasi ayan o.
Yo, there you go.
Oh, diba? So,
Actually, lahat ng Snapdragon 400 may pattern. Dual SIM, tapos quad-core.
Yeah.
Like Padphone Mini, yung sa amin
It's
sa
just
Asus.
ganun lang, odd lang na Qualcomm has chips. The Snapdragon 400, I think, already has is
LTE, yeah.
capable.
Pero ito hindi to LTE.
I don't think so.
Hindi
Parang
ata.
hindi ata minention.
Hindi siya LTE.
Pero may SRP na to.
This is 13,990.
Oh, not bad.
But slightly playing on the dangerous ground.
And it's above the 10,000 alam mo yun, comfort zone of a lot of people. Pero
It's
it's
from LG.
technically a branded phone. Pero alam mo, worry ko lang, yung may linabas si Sony, di ba, na LTE phone na nasa 14,000.
Yeah.
I think it's the M2 or the T something Ultra. Basta one of those newer ones. It's 14,000.
Walo kasi silang lahat eh.
Oh,
Bago.
and it already has
Madami.
LTE. But for those who prefer the LG brand plus the rear key action, yung mahilig mag-finger, di ba?
Wait lang.
That
Wait,
sounded so
wait.
wrong. Ay,
Medyo-
mahilig pumindot sa likod. Ay.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Pero you actually use the G.
Hindi
you
pa
actually
rin
use the
eh. Wait,
G2
wait.
naman, di ba? So it's
Yeah,
one of the features you enjoy.
masasanay ka rin talaga. Eventually, hanapin mo din yan eh.
Yung sa likod.
Oh. Lord!
Wait. Guys, wait
Hindi!
lang.
Yung pagpindot ng rear key.
Yeah, pag
Yan,
pindot,
okay.
nasa likod.
Okay,
ng rear key.
Ng likod.
Yes.
Diba? Yan o, yan o. Pag
Please
pinipindot-
clarify.
Oh, diba? Pag ganyan yan.
So
oh.
yun nga actually.
Madali naman siya hanapin eh. May mga ibang tao nahirapan hanapin. Pero ito, madali lang hanapin.
Yeah.
Diba? It's right there. You cannot
Yeah,
miss
you
it.
can't
Guys,
miss
it's called intuitiveness.
Oh, diba?
the G key.
Oh, di ba?
Oh, right. It's the rear key. We're not.
PG-13 tayo, hoy!
Wait. Relax.
Wala kaming minimin na anything, ano yun. It's just a really nice button.
Yeah.
At the back of the phone.
So what's nice about it, and actually, LG made all of its phones like the higher tier ones, is they put all the keys. Lahat na sila nandito.
Kasi yung
na yun.
volume nandito din.
Yes,
diba?
nandyan na lahat. Kahit yung LG G Pro 2
Yeah.
is on the back as well. I think if the G3 yung
More or
inaabangan-
less,
Kasi
yes.
G3.
Bawal
ganun
alisin
din
yung screen
yun.
protector.
Hindi,
Ah, okay.
But do you think pinatent ba ng LG yun? Yung concept sa
How can you
likod?
patent as button at the
button.
back?
Well, no
Well,
other
you
manufacturers.
know.
Pero ginaya ni Acer.
Well, alam nyo, Samsung, si iPhone pala, one of the biggest disputes that they have with Samsung is yung pag nag-scroll ka, tas parang nag-bounce.
Yes.
Oo.
Isa yun sa mga patent
That's
na
one of the
sinasabi.
biggest
that's
patent fights
ridiculous.
Pero
pala.
the thing is, sorry, off tangent lang ng konti. Pero sa akin talaga, is if the software, if it's software, you can't really patent a software feature.
Pati
Yeah.
multi-touch, pina-patent din pala yun. Imagine mo,
Yeah.
multi-touch. So, paano kung nanalo Apple, bawal na natin gamitin dalawang daliri natin.
Well, the manufacturers will have to pay Apple.
Yeah.
Kasi madami na sila na produce. And malaki yun. Up to the point kasi kung kailan nila final yung patent and kung kailan nag-take effect, up
Yun,
until
kasama na yun.
kung kailan na-settle. So malaking
Wow.
Well,
it's
to
a
their
very big
credit
amount.
naman, sila talaga yung nag-define ng aesthetics ng a smartphone. Ngayon, it's a good thing na sila LG are trying to innovate by creating a rear key.
Yeah.
But hopefully, we see more things, no?
Yeah.
Actually, nakakaliw yung sinabi mong pwede kang mag...
And even other, I think other phones na rin.
Yeah, even their
copying
L series.
Not just L series,
You mean
kahit
from
ibang
other
brand.
brands?
They're starting to copy the...
Yeah, the gestures.
Yes.
Actually, yung 1020, may ganun. Nokia 1020.
Wow, eh.
Pati yung, actually, nauna doon, Lenovo K900. Yung K900, may ganun. Pwede mong tap, tapos magigising siya. Yun nga lang, hindi siya kasing...
Hindi yung yung pag naka-lock.
Oo, yan talaga. Ay, nabasag. Joke. Hindi. Ay, iba pala yung nabasag.
Iba yun. Wait lang.
Iba yung nabasag. By the
Moving
way,
on.
guys, we were supposed to show you another phone today.
But yeah,
Yes.
unforeseen circumstances.
Okay, but anyway, so this is the G2 Mini. Is it out already or not
It
yet?
should be out now, yeah.
Should be out now. Ay, ano pala yung megapixel nung camera sa back?
Around 8 megapixel, I think. It's basically
It's 8 at the back, 1.3 at the
yeah.
front.
So it's basically a budget smartphone.
Pero yung main complaint ko lang dyan is 1 gig RAM.
Okay na yun.
But then again,
Hindi naman siya HD, di ba?
HD.
Ay, HD siya. Kaya ba ng Qualcomm 400?
Ano, no. 960 by 540.
Oh, QHD. Kaya,
Oh,
kaya.
okay,
Ano yung size ng screen nito? Sorry.
4.7 inches.
Oh, no, pag nasanay ka na sa mga malalaking telepono, parang...
Ay, hindi nga. Kanina kasi, yung guests nila dun sa event, yung Smart Gilas players.
Hala, hawak sa kanila to?
Mukha siyang maliit
No,
na phone.
hindi nga ito pinahawak sa kanila.
Kahit
LG
yung-
Pro.
Hindi, meron din may hawak
Pro
niyan
2.
eh. Ang weird
It's
tignan
like
eh.
tiny toys like in their hands.
Oh,
Sila yung kasabay ko bakit sa elevator.
kasabay ko
Never
din sila
felt
sa
so
elevator.
tiny in my life.
Yung...
And I'm a small man.
Yung G Pro... Ano ba yan? G Pro, the big one?
The
G
Pro.
G2
Ano,
Pro.
G2 Pro. There you go.
The G2 Pro. Ano naman yung... Is it anything good? Is it anything...
Pro. pala.
The G
Ay, sorry.
it's a 5.9 inch HD display. Qualcomm Snapdragon 800, 3 gigs of RAM. So it's amazing. Like wow, natatanggal pala.
Note 3 class.
Oh, para lang...
So basically, that's track ako ang ganda eh. So yun, the 3 gig of RAM is actually a nice thing kasi very few phones actually have that.
Dalawa
So
pa lang.
it's usually
as of now.
2 gig RAM. They stop at 2 gig RAM. If I remember correctly, the Z2 is 3 gig, diba? Or 2 lang.
2. Yung Note 3 is 3 gig.
3 gig. There you go. So it's very few talaga na may 3 gig of RAM.
Pero ano pa rin yung siguro main complaint na lang dito yung parang transfer speeds na lang din, no?
Yeah.
I mean, 3 gigs of RAM, quad-core power.
The only issue that I can see from the G Pro, the phablet is it's so huge. Parang kasi since the button arrangement is the same, parang
Medyo
your
mahirap
hand
abutin.
your finger will actually
Yeah.
have to go up higher to actually hit the key. Sorry if that sounded weird. Pero so
No, it didn't.
Sa laki ng
tataas
grip
eh.
mo.
So if you have very small keys, sorry, if you
Hands.
have small hands, medyo mahirap siya hawakan pataas.
This is taking a
Anyway,
really
so
weird
it's actually harder
Hirap
to
pala pag-usapan pag mga rear keys.
Oo nga eh. True.
pag kailangan pindutin. Anyway, so your finger has to actually go up higher. So if you're a woman, for example, kung maliit lang talaga kamay mo, you'll have a bit of
A
trouble
lot of
actually.
women have long fingers, ah.
Really?
Really?
Parang mga witch.
Hindi eh. I have
Hindi.
small hands.
So yun. So or anybody with small
Small
hands
hands.
kasi I have abnormally large hands, so medyo madali lang. Pero for you, that might be a problem.
Alright.
Tinan mo, nagpagupit na ako. May close-up ako.
Yes.
So, ipakita ang bagong haircut.
Tatay Bibo.
Oh, di ba? Oh, ano nangyari?
There you go.
Okay. Sige. Gusto lang nila Marvel ang aking haircut. So,
Marvel
tingnan nyo,
ang yung haircut.
Bagong gupit lang yan. Pero hindi pa ako nagpapaahit. Labo eh.
Galing yan.
Okay, ba't ba sa akin naka-zoom in? Naka-conscious ako. Nakay yung gadget.
So LG, so this is should be out now. 13,990. This is actually our review unit. So wait for the full review on the site before you actually buy one. So we can tell you if it's any good or if.
Pero
you
we'll
skip
also
it.
be reviewing the G2 Pro.
Yes, we will also be getting a G2 Pro.
Guys, G Pro.
Hi.
LG G Pro.
G Pro 2,
G
sorry.
Pro,
G
G
Pro
Pro 2,
2.
sorry, it's confusing. So, hi Millet.
Hi.
Yung unit, padala niya lang sa amin.
Mabait naman yung mga LG people.
Yeah. Hindi lang
mabilis
nila
na.
nahabol actually. In fairness, they actually tried their hardest to actually get the unit kasi
Kaya nga kasi nangyayari pa yung event ngayon.
the event is still ongoing as we
Hirap nga
speak,
naman.
so medyo
So
matagal.
we'll just like to give a official shout out
Baka
to the
dalawang
LG
piraso
people
na kasi.
Yes.
for
Thank you
being
very much
generous enough
for-
to send the unit here even if they're having the product launch.
As of
Right
now.
now.
right now.
Diba? So maraming salamat.
Okay.
Diba, LG.
Okay.
So before we get to the next gadget na phone, kasi nakita ko yun eh.
Yes.
And baka pwedeng yun muna kasi mukhang interesting yan. Dahil ako actually naghanap ako ngayon ng tablet. So it would be nice to hear what you guys think of this one.
Oh, yeah.
And hopefully it's nice so I end up buying it. But if it's not nice, then it's still okay.
So this is, let me
Kung
Oh,
mag-transparent,
no, it's blue.
ay
Yeah.
gawin mong, blue ang ayaw sa atin?
yeah.
Hindi yung reflection.
Yung
Look for
Sorry.
look for a black wallpaper.
Sorry. So
Para at least hindi siya mag-transparent. Hindi ka ba marunong magpalit ng wallpaper? Mr. Tech Dude. Habang nag-aayos niyan si John para gawin niyang black. Diba? So announce lang natin. So unbox will be going, syempre upon the invitation of Asus Philippines. Confirmed na daw. Confirmed. We'll be going, kailan ba yun? June?
From June
June,
2
yes.
to 5.
June 2 to 5, we'll be covering live Computex, diba, in Taiwan.
Yep.
Yes.
The
So,
biggest convention
the biggest
in
convention in Asia. Oh, 'di ba, Nax? So, feeling international na kami. So, well, nakapunta naman tayong Mobile World at kung ano-ano last year eh. So, pero ito yung first na ano. Tapos I'll be going pala to IFA in September or October. So, at least meron tayong dalawang international shows lined up for us this year.
it'd be Computex will be a fantastic show because, as many of you know, Taiwan is where MediaTek is headquartered in, and MediaTek makes a lot of processors for
A lot.
local brands. So we might see something very interesting from them when we go to.
Pero this year is really the year of paradigm shift.
Yes, because
As
I
in-
remember Computex before was
Really components.
components and PCs.
Motherboards, PCs,
Yes.
casings.
Ngayon, ano yung
Ngayon,
in-expect this year?
Ang year of paradigm shift talaga. As in lahat ng major brands.
They have
Parang
a tablet. They have a
phones pa
smartphone.
rin and tablets ang direction.
As in lahat, Acer.
Mobile. Everyone's going mobile.
So, hindi na mga laptop ang uso ngayon.
So, madaming phones. and
Actually,
tablets.
you should, if any of you actually followed CES, did you notice Samsung actually reveal a new notebook at all?
Wala.
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 No announcement at all. Aside,
Mako-corner na ni Asus yung market. Wala na
Kaya
sa
nga
kalaban.
Nauubos na yung kalaban nila doon.
yeah, aside from their
Kalaban yun na lang, MacBook.
yung nirelease nga nila na Chromebook, that's actually parang hindi pa nung CES ni-release, and that's technically not
Official.
kasi ang
Not
processor
latest,
niya
no?
mobile eh.
Yes,
Yeah.
true.
So it falls
ARM
under
based.
mobile. So it's not actually a notebook. It just looks like one.
But anyway, abangan nyo na lang. Unbox at Computex, of course, courtesy of our friends from Asus. May in-expect ba tayo doon mga reveals ng Asus or it's just a showcase of what they have so far?
Wala.
Wala pa naman
Hindi.
yung schedule.
I mean, we always dominate Computex eh.
Yo.
Quotable quote. We always
always
dominate.
dominate
Agree tayo,
Computex.
papadala niya tayo. Totoo yan, guys.
Hindi na nga ako-
Okay,
Hindi na nga ako pumapalag eh.
Hindi, pero di mo naman sinagot yung tanong. Batukan kita.
Hindi, for 2 years na nakapunta si John.
Hindi, yung tanong ko may product review
Marami.
So meron
Ayaw
na
lang niyang
asahan.
sabihin.
Marami.
May
Hindi ako
asahan kami.
basically
Marami.
hindi ako papatulugin ni Ison.
Oh, more or less.
Sa sobrang dami.
Asahan natin yan na may mga bagong... Pero dude, alam mo maganda yung point mo. We really have to find time to talk to the MediaTek guys.
Yes. We'll trying to contact them and we'll
May
set a...
nandun din ba ang Intel?
Yes.
Yes.
Uy,
Strong
baka
partner.
pwede rin kausapin
Also,
mo. Siyempre kasi
Intel.
partner nila ang Intel eh.
Nvidia as well. So, Nvidia dun din sila.
Yep.
So, they make
An-
processors as
Si Zenfone, Intel.
Yes.
Intel. O, di kailangan... Intel muna bago MediaTek.
well. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But anyways, abangan nyo yun. So, June 2 to 5. Maybe we can create like a special section on the site.
Yes, yes. So you can see all of the coverage there.
Tatama ba yun sa Monday? 2 to 5?
2 is a Monday.
2. O, de sakto. Ila-live stream natin si John during the show. So,
Wait, ang start ba ng Computex Monday or
Yeah.
Tuesday?
Tuesday ang start.
Pero yung Monday, yung mga reveals before the actual show.
Yes.
Kasi they have a pre-show thing, pre-show.
Parang
game
lahat ng
na-
major brands.
pumarty ka na lang pagkatapos ng podcast.
Isang oras lang naman
Oh,
eh.
isang oras lang naman eh.
Wala kang party doon eh.
Diba?
Ano doon? Cover, sleep.
Cover sleep.
Ganon?
Yes.
Pero masaya.
Masaya siya, in fairness. In
Paano
fairness.
naging masaya? Sabi mo lang
Kaya
cover
ako ng
sleep.
ano,
Cover,
kaya nga eh.
magko-cover ka event, sleep, write article.
Mali naman.
Mali. Cover na-
write article, then
Eh,
sleep.
sleep.
Bakit matutulugan?
Sorry.
Ay, nako. But anyway, abangan nyo yun. That's June 2 to 5. Okay, next. So,
Alright.
punta tayo dito sa Galaxy
Tab Pro.
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 8.4.
Looks really nice, huh?
Yes. So this is the Galaxy Tab Pro.
Nice
8.4.
background.
Yes.
Nice ba?
Hello, we have to figure out what kind of wallpaper
Wala
works.
na eh. Anyway.
Wala pa tayong black na solid.
Walang solid black. Anyway, so ganun na lang sa magazine UX para. Yo! It's worse. It's green. There you go. Yeah.
Sige, pwede na.
There you go. So basically, this is the Galaxy Tab Pro 8.4. This is part of the Pro lineup of Samsung. We actually reviewed the Note Pro, the Note 12.
The
12.2.
gigantic,
The gigantic
12.2.
Grabe.
Yes. So basically, the Note Pro series is parang ginawa ng Samsung to cater to professionals kasi there's a lot of productivity software inside
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
So many of the productivity software, a lot of the apps that are in the Note Pro 12.2 is in the Tab Pro 8.4. So basically,
Without a stylus?
Without
without
the
the stylus. So you can
You use your finger.
So you have the remote PC. This where you can actually access your PC at home if you leave it on, and you can access it through here.
Okay.
And the S Planner, of course, and all the other. Parang may you can open Excel files in here, Word files,
But
and
it's
everything.
actual Microsoft Office interface.
No,
No.
it's different.
Pero
So-
may Office Mobile naman ngayon eh.
Well, you can download that
yeah.
now. So, much like the Note Pro, you can have multiple windows at once, open at once. So you can actually be watching videos while you do your work, which is, I'm sure it's not allowed.
Or
but,
the typical
you can actually.
Pero
still
do people
that.
actually do that? Alam mo, napakalaking contentious na feature niyan, yung multi-window. Kasi
Pers-
ako, when I use tablets, I don't eh.
Personally, I never actually did
Parang
that.
I'd rather, if I'm watching a video, I'll prop it up on the table, get my
Yeah.
phone when I want to tweet.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not necessarily...
On the same
It
screen.
detracts kasi parang probably on the 12.2, the bigger one, you can probably do that.
Yeah.
But I don't. Parang nung ginagamit ko, it's
It's still...
yeah.
Even when I had the 10-inch tablet.
Pero it's nice that you have that feature. If
It's more that
You
na
can
kung
actually-
kailangan mo siya,
At
want
least
it.
it's
nandyan.
there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what's nice about this is the specs is actually this has a Snapdragon 800 processor inside. It has 2 gigs of RAM, if I remember correctly, 32 gigs of memory, and there's a micro SD slot. Oops, in the side, and the back actually has the same. It's basically the
Faux leather
same
treatment.
Faux leather.
The fake leather.
May 3G yan?
Wala. This is a Wi-Fi only device.
Wi-Fi only.
So,
Sayang.
so it has the same fake leather treatment as the Note.
Faux, not fake.
Oh.
Oh, sorry.
Faux.
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 Faux!
I'm obviously not French. So as the
The fox.
as the Note
What
3.
does the faux say?
And actually, the best thing about this product is the price.
Yeah.
So it's around 18,000, if I remember correctly. Tama ba?
18,990.
990.
Why is it best thing about it if it's at 89?
Because the features it has, and the display pala is like 2 times HD.
Ay,
So
oo nga pala.
matalas talaga yung display.
Correct,
And
correct.
it's at 18,990. It's not bad.
2560 by 1600
Yes.
resolution.
Yes.
So it's a
Wow.
good gaming
Matalas.
machine.
Yes.
Yes.
Parang pag talagang naglalaro ka ng Dead Trigger dito, ayaw mo na matapos. Ayun, you just don't want to.
Pero as in, direct competitor niya yung mga 8-inch Windows tablets.
Yes. Pero
But-
this is actually
What
better.
yung impression mo?
Better?
Because
na-try mo yung Lenovo
yeah.
Mix?
Kasi
Mix, diba?
sa totoo lang, for tablets, I'd rather go for an Android tab rather than a Windows one. Kasi parang
Diyan tayo magkakatalo. Kasi
Away na ba
ako, it makes sense to get to Windows pag may keyboard.
yeah.
Yeah.
Kasi you can actually do the full
Windows
Typing
Full Windows
experience.
Windows
Well,
experience.
as far as an Atom processor allows you to do.
Yeah, pero kunyari, the usual PowerPoint,
Yes.
Excel, di ba? Tapos pwede mo kumita ng mouse, di ba?
Yeah, true.
Kaya ako ever since pagdating sa tablet before, I was leaning towards Windows. But the problem was, all the Windows tablets that came out looked weird. I mean, yung Asus was okay. Since you're here, I'll say that.
T100?
Ay,
Yeah.
Oh my
Ayun
God.
nga, yun nga. Pero
Oh my
yung
God.
issue ko, alam mo naman ako issue, di ba? Gusto ko bakal.
Yeah, true.
And wala akong nakitang Windows tablet na
Bakal.
bakal. As in, all of them were...
Meron na ba ngayon?
Mga 40,000 pesos.
Hindi, na-try ko yung Surface Pro. Yung Surface Pro naman masyadong makapal. Kaya nga, I actually used the T100 more than the Surface Pro. There was a time I had both, diba? So parang, I still have both. I'll probably sell it. Alam mo kung mag-garage sale ako, feeling ko yayaman ako.
siguro, sa dami ng mabibenta mo doon.
Actually, may office mate ako. Na-stress ako the other day. Kasi may office mate ako, binibenta niya yung Fortuner niya, 2007 model. 30,000 na yung mileage.
Ba't ang baba?
Oh, hindi niya ginagamit eh. Tapos binibenta niya lang 650,000.
Wow.
Can I get it?
Tas
So,
ako-
wala akong pera.
Ako, inisip ko, shucks, gusto ko sana bilhin. Ikakabili ko lang nung si Momo, yung Accord. Pero inisip ko, shucks, ano makukuha ng 650,000? Iniisip ko yun na pag nandun ako sa kwarto ko na may toys.
Magka-garage sale
Saan naman
ka.
nakukuha ng 600,000?
Tapos tinitignan ko,
Makikita mo yung lahat.
tinitignan ko lahat ng laruan ko. Tapos kinumpute ko magkano na ginastos ko. Putsang ina. Pwede na ako bumili ng 2 Fortuner.
You never want to do that. Parang kahit for ako, I play a lot of airsoft, and if I think about like all the money I've spent through
Kasi
the years.
kinumpute ko siya, parang this one's 10,000, 15,000. Nung in-add ko siya all up, mahigit 1 milyon. And to think I just started on that, 4 months ago?
Oh.
Really? 4 months ka pa lang ba?
No, no, no.
Seryoso?
4 months pala ako nagko-collect ng toys.
Grabe.
Season 2 actually.
Season 2 na.
Doon ka nag-start. Yung
Plus your
Despicable
cats.
Me.
God. Yeah.
Oo.
Pero okay
Hindi,
naman.
pero yung mga malalaking toys.
Yung mga, I see.
Yung mga 1/6 scale. Yung mga binibili ko kasi
tama,
before,
mga
mga
5
maliliit
months,
lang. Diba? So mga 4 to 5 months pa lang. Sorry, I digress.
Kaching, kaching.
Nasaan na tayo?
Okay.
So anyway, so
Next
this round.
So, wag kayo pumunta sa toy collecting sa mga nanonood. Mukha siyang maganda. Maganda naman talaga siya. And you will feel sincere joy when you look at them at home. But when you take a look at your bank account and your wallet,
You'll
oh my
cry.
gosh.
You will cry.
Like a
Maluluha
baby.
ka. Lalo na pag ma-realize mo, I could have bought a car.
Yes.
No? And then again, I already have a car. So,
Yeah, okay lang yun. Saka isa lang garahe.
well,
It's like
technically,
everyone, like almost everybody has a car. Anybody has a, like, meron ba silang bot pad at home? Can
Tama
they
yan.
say, I have the bot pad?
sige, justify my expenses.
Yes.
I have 3
Or
Bat
the
Mobile.
1989
Mga
Bat
konsentidor kayo.
correct. Okay, anyway, sorry, balik tayo dito. So, Galaxy Tab.
It's around 18,000 pesos, 18 to 19. Pero if you look at Kim Store and all the other online sellers, they actually sell it for around 16.
Yeah,
Oh, Kim
16.
Store is our guest next week.
Oh yeah, nga pala.
Yay!
So, next week, Kim Lato
Kim Lato.
will be here to grace the show. And the week after that, I'll invite naman, para naman balance. Invite natin si Martin. ng,
They just
Si
opened
Martin
yung
Lau.
Blue Bay store nila, yung Technopop.
Technopop.
Techno Pop.
Okay, so tapos na tayo dyan. So, magkano? 18,000.
So it's 18,990. Pero you can actually get it cheaper sa Kim Store and all the other places na online.
So, you'd reco it more for people who do gaming and...
Yes, it's if you're looking for a tablet that your budget's around 20K, this is actually very nice.
Would you recommend that over the iPad?
I'm an Android fanboy, so yeah,
Ako din eh.
yeah.
Basta given that resolution. Ako,
Oh,
yes.
ang talas ng resolution. Maganda talaga yung resolution.
Actually, pag tignan ko nga siya, nga, pwede mo nang dilaan, no?
Kailan bakit hindi
wait,
dilaan?
is that our like
Diba?
measurement for this resolutions
Hindi,
now?
tignan mo eh.
Ako din eh.
Hindi mo nga kasi candy, di ba?
Okay.
So pag, pwede nga. Pwedeng dilaan, di ba?
By the way, may actual, may picture siyang tinitignan na gano'n.
Wala.
Ay.
Nag-criminate ako.
Ay.
Bumalik ka sa ano.
Wallpaper.
But anyway, so yan ang Galaxy Note Pro 8.4.
4.
Yes.
Next,
Actually, it looks good, no?
Yeah.
It feels good.
I'd recommend this like wholeheartedly over the Galaxy Note Pro 12.2.
Gusto ko yung size niya.
I like the Tab Pro
Pwede,
8.4 better.
Pwede.
Gusto ko yung size niya. Para sa akin, parang yun yung ideal size
And
for
also,
tablet.
surprisingly light. Napansin niyo kung gaano siya kagaan.
Pero alam mo, kung magno-notes ka dito, wala siya yung mga parang flip cover ng iPad o may mga covers na.
Wala.
Kasi parang tinitignan ko siya, there is no way to actually put it on there. There's like the back is non-removable.
Oh,
Di ba
nga,
kasi
no?
may mga pwede ka bilhin
Although
sa iPad?
I can be wrong, parang Samsung might have made like a
pero
magnetic
nung
clasp
nilabas
for it.
nila yan, parang hindi naman nila
Wait, kano
in-introduce.
kalaki yung G-Pad ng LG? 8.4?
3 yata.
8.3.
Samsung has this weird thing about like screen sizes na parang arbitrary lang. Oh, let's make it 12.2. This one, let's make it
Make it
8.4. It's just weird.
Well, ano yan, shotgun approach. Tapos whatever works.
So lahat na ng sizes na pwedeng ilalabas nila.
Oh,
It's
so
just weird.
whatever works, yun yung
Alright.
gawin nila. Okay, so that's
Okay.
the Galaxy Note. Note.
Tab Pro.
Tab Pro
Tab Pro.
8.4.
Yung next gadget on
Let's go
our-
local.
Yes.
Ano naman, let's go local, kanga ni Ison. Ito na yung probably one of the most talked about
Today.
and
Oh
there's
my
good
God.
reason because you know what, guys, we asked around from industry sources, and even their competitors are scratching their heads on why this is just the price it's being sold for. So my phone literally pulled off a coup with this particular device, and
Correct.
this is the first time I'm actually seeing it, and my God, it looks really nice.
Looks nice. No?
So John, take us through the MyPhone Rio.
This
Wow,
is the MyPhone Rio. This is one of the most anticipated phones that we've ever written about. This has an HD display, quad-core 1.3 gigahertz processor, 1 gig of RAM, around 8 gig of memory, I think, or 4 gig. I think.
4 gigabyte
4 gig.
internal.
As you see, it has a plastic back, is polymer back. And if my phone ever decides to actually offer, it's removable. So if you've seen the Nokia X, you've seen how it works. It basically works the same way. There's a nice back covering that you can take off and remove.
So pwede mong palit-palitan depende sa kung ano mong gustong kulay.
Yeah, pero I asked we bought this, by the way. We bought this when it first
Oo
came
nga.
out.
Binili
No,
namin yan.
no thanks to my phone. So, Dario, kung nakikinig ka man
Hindi kayo nagpadala.
We
bumili
bought-
kami bumili kami.
We added to your bottom line.
In fairness, okay lang naman Parang, 5,000. Parang yan yun yung mga Star Mobile Play, tsaka yung mga iba pa lumalabas. Sige, bilhin nyo na lang para nandyan na.
So basically, parang this is a game changer. Kasi
Magkano benta na to?
4,999.
Boom!
4,999. Before, you can only, like, lahat ng specs na sinabi ko, pick one. And you could, seryoso, you couldn't have the other. Like, ito lahat talaga nandito na. And you,
Take
parang-
note 5-inch. Hindi
5
hindi
inch.
4, hindi 4.3.
Alam mo, itabi natin sa
Ayan,
hindi naman
para
sa pinuput
makita
down ko si LG. Gusto ko lang pakita yung size difference. Oh, di ba?
Laki.
Perceived value pa lang lamang na to
Oh, 4.7.
Yeah, kasi if I
tabi
remember,
natin sa 4.7. Di ba?
Diba?
Oh, tabi natin sa 12 inches.
Yo, medyo malaki.
Ah, ako pala sinabi. Oh.
Kasi yung Agua Hail nila before, the 5-inch, okay na sana yun. The problem was, ay,
Oh! Huwag kayo mag-drop test dito.
Binili naman natin so okay lang yan.
Okay lang. Whatever. Hindi, kasi parang yung Agua Hail nila before, parang kulang It was a 5-inch It's a 5-inch phone. It only had 512 MB of RAM. It had a TFT display. It had no 3G.
So ito, lahat
So
yun
ito,
address.
HSPA Plus, 3G,
Wala.
dual SIM. It's like, ano pang hanapin mo?
Pero ito yung tanong and this is something that was legitimately brought up by another fellow tech blogger, si Big Time Show Dude, Alexei.
Alexei, yes.
Ang sabi ni Alexei, yung fatal flaw daw ng Rio is that you cannot transfer...
Install to SD card.
You cannot install
Install
to SD card, which means na it's touted as a gaming phone, yes, because of the Mali 400 GPU, which is really good for games. But given the size of the games today, if you only have 4 gig to work with,
Ubus
No, remember, yung 4 gig na you don't get that all.
Yeah.
Hindi pa lahat
You
yun.
get
More or less,
like
you get around
3 gig, probably.
less than.
84%.
Yeah.
So yun yung that's a very valid question. So kung hindi ka pwede mag-transfer, it's either my phone has to address it via a software update, which I think
Software
naman it's
patch.
actually doable. Pero until that time, I'd be hard-pressed to recommend it to hardcore gamers.
Or you can flash it or put a custom ROM.
Oh, yun. Pero not everybody kasi knows how to
Yeah.
flash eh.
So that's
Hindi yun yung
negative.
paghubad lang I mean, yung flash talaga ng phone.
Yeah, true.
Teka, ba't bumalik na naman tayo dito?
I don't think I know how to flash either.
Yeah, just making sure. Wait. So, ang... Ano nga ba yung sabihin?
Hindi, pero wait.
Sa flashing, ano ba
Oo nga
yan?
eh.
Going dun sa unboxing sa article, wow, 16,900.
Yeah, if you see the Antutu score, it's crazy.
16,900.
For 5K.
4,000. For
Well,
5K.
again, I'm pretty sure there are people in the comments fiercely typing right now na no, Antutu is not just the representative of the performance of the device. But then again, it's the quickest way you can. It's a parang quick estimate on.
More or less, to leverage.
Babati pala kami kay Mr. Fablet Bulacan. Hello, hopefully you're enjoying the show right now. Diba? So, wala lang. Gusto ko lang batiin. Your comments have been a source of
Amusement.
hindi naman obvious.
Satisfaction?
Hindi, pinag-uusapan natin.
Debates?
So, debates. Ayun na
there we
lang.
go.
So, hindi, alam mo, we know naman he means well.
Yes,
diba?
yes.
8 megapixel camera at the back with autofocus.
Yes.
2 sa harap. Wow.
bad.
That's yung itsura
Kamusta yung
niya,
performance ng camera?
Yun lang, medyo.
Pero wait. Balikan natin muna yung Ano ba yung implications ng... Kasi, I'm sure binanggit natin, pero baka hindi nagigets ng mga nanonood.
Alright, sure.
Ano ang technical and real-world implications na hindi ka pwede mag-install to the SD card? So, Mr. Technical Guru Ison, pakisagot.
Well, ang problem siguro dyan, yung ratio na, masyado technical. Okay. Kung ikaw isang tao, very enthusiast, parang ako, sobrang dami kong apps. Lahat ng social media apps installed ko, lahat. May DJ, technica ako sa may Cytus pa ako, meron pa akong mga games. Yun pa lang, that's more than 16 gigabytes of data. Application only. What more for your photos, your videos?
Actually, that's my problem then with my Samsung S4. It has 16
Pero
gig.
wait, you can transfer, you cannot install.
Yeah.
You can transfer.
So, if I take a picture,
More or less, mga multimedia contents, pwede mo ilagay sa SD card. Pero yung internal, doon lang dapat yung apps, di ba?
so kung ano man yung mga papatakbo mo apps, it has to fit in the 4
The 4
gig.
gigabyte, yes.
Ngayon, sabihin natin, meron akong Amazing Spider-Man, NBA 2K14,
Wala.
Wild Blood na tigo
Wala
1
na.
gig each.
I'll
Wala
stop
na.
you actually at the NBA 2K14 kasi wala
Wala.
kang space after.
DJ Technica nga lang, 2.5 gigabyte.
Tapos ang problema niyan, pag naubusan ka ng storage, di ba bumabagal na siya?
Yes.
Tapos pwede na siya mag-hang.
Yes.
So it's limiting yung capabilities kung totoo.
And there's another thing that I noticed. It's like there's a fair amount of lag. It's not fantastically terrible, pero you definitely
Fantastically
Fantastically.
terrible.
parang hindi ka na
How can
yes!
something,
Yes!
how can something be fantastically
Dati,
terrible?
chipanga plastic.
you won't throw your phone away in frustration, but you will notice it
So-
even if you parang may mga YouTube. It's weird nga. May mga YouTube videos na this is supposed to be HD, diba? So I ran the YouTube videos on HD and it's kind of choppy. So it's weird. Pero I ran footage that I captured using a Sony camera and was shot in HD as well. And it ran fine. So it's just weird. Yung mga stuff like that is
Hawakan
just
yan?
really weird.
Oh, in
Pero ang ganda
fairness.
nung...
See,
Ganda.
the
It
body
reminds
is
me
fantastic.
Of course, HTC, di ba? Yung-
Alam mo, feeling ko nga, pag linagyan mo lang to na Nova Launcher, solve na to. Nova Launcher lang katapat na to, medyo jittery.
Oh, di ba?
Pero yung likod ay... Iba yung texture.
Oh, by the way, napansin din ng maraming MyRio users, the photo that is on my phone site is not the photo of this particular product. It's different. Like
Really?
the camera placement is different.
Upper right? Yeah.
Yes. Like, go to my phone. Like, the actual side of my phone. Parang iba
Iba yung
parang,
naka-ano.
I think they got the prototype photo and they put it there. Then the actual unit is...
Pero can I
slightly
just
different.
comment
Yeah.
These are the small details I really appreciate Minatch nila yung color na speaker
Yes.
grill
Yes.
doon
Yeah.
sa
That
backplate.
is very nice.
Di ba? So maganda siya. So,
Alam ko na what it reminds me.
ano?
It looks like an
Of your-
Alcatel
of your
one
long-lost
touch
love.
idol.
Okay lang yan, Ison.
Hindi,
Minamahal ka pa rin niya.
Kailangan natin resolve yung sinasabi ni
He's avoiding the issue.
Oo nga, Ison. When was the last time umibig ka?
Yo! Heart, by the way, heart.
Wala lang.
Sorry.
Hindi. Seryoso, nagmamatch. Natutuwa lang
And
ako
hindi mo
doon.
mapapansin pero may LED notification light siya dito sa corner.
Oh.
Ah.
The small details like that, parang it's just...
Tsaka it doesn't feel like 5,000 pesos.
That's true.
The bezel is a bit thick, but it's
Yes.
forgivable considering it's 5,000
Just
pesos.
like anything that you might think ng pangit sa kanya,
Babalik ka dun eh. It's
it's
5,000
only 5,000 pesos.
Tapos yung logo niya sobrang faded, so hindi mo talaga makikita na my phone.
So kung medyo brand conscious ka,
Okay
Actually,
lang.
you know what? That's an improvement
Oo nga.
over the old logo.
Wala na yung
To be
Philippine
mapa.
map.
Eh, sobrang
Alam mo,
laki.
the biggest design improvement na nagawa ni my phone ever once they took out that annoying Philippine. Alam mo, I'm nationalistic I love the Philippines. My family served the country, but for crying out loud, putting the map at the back of your phone, parang hello, that screams OFW ako or something, di ba?
uy, medyo quotable din yun ah.
Hindi, kasi alam niyo ba, yung Collegioni, naalala niyo yun?
Yeah,
Yung
yeah,
brand
yeah.
ng mga
Ang laki-laki
t-shirt.
dito.
They sold really well just because
May Philippine
people would buy
flag.
the shirt and send it abroad.
Yeah.
Okay.
Diba? So parang yung mga tao siguro Filipinos outside, yung mga nakikinig dito, pag nakita nila, parang, oh, I miss the Philippines. Diba? Parang ganun. So kaya siguro nila iniisip yun. But anyway, balik na dito So it feels very solid. Maganda rin na ceramic yung mga buttons, diba? And it matches the color as well. Yung charging nasa taas.
It's kind of weird.
Yung
Pero
girlfriend
okay
mo,
lang.
galit yata sa'yo
Hindi. She's really happy.
Really
Really happy. You know what? She actually likes that. She's like bothering me to get one.
Hindi, bakit ganyan yung text niya sa'yo?
It's like
Ano ba, pwede
something
bang
different.
basahin yan?
Alam mo, lagi ka nalang nalalaglag. Each time,
I love you. Anyway.
tanggalin ko na nga ito. Nalalaglag palagi to eh. Each time may hawak na telepono, oh, yung girlfriend mo sabi. Diba? But anyway, so ikaw, Ison, baka gusto mong i-fondle.
Hindi, yun talaga nag-remind
Guys,
sa akin.
PG-13 po
Oo nga.
tayo.
Okay. We should make a version of the podcast.
Lalo na yung grill sa baba.
Ano?
Yun yung nag-remind sa akin. Parang siyang ano.
Alcatel.
Yeah, Alcatel. Or parang likod ng Nexus 5.
That
Gawin mo lang red.
yung natatanggal na back
Ano
actually.
parang likod ng Nexus 5?
Makikipag-away sa
Oh,
Ganyan.
di papayag.
Ay, actually, magkamukha nga sila.
May red din sila actually. Baka dapat yung pala
Anong
kinuha ko
colors yung
para.
available?
Hindi, tignan mo, yung Nexus 5 red yung grill sa harap. Bilog nga lang yung sa amin. Sa kanila, bar. Tapos
But
mas
still,
yung bezel namin. Mas gwapo pa rin yung telepono ko.
So
diba?
there's I think there's
Ba't dati kay Nicole?
orange, there's red, there's white.
Can you buy the back cases?
No. And they should
Weird.
My phone you should actually totally
Offer
offer that
that.
because people want different. Kaso nga lang hindi magma-match yung mga
Yun, kasi baka kung OC ka, baka mabother ka. Papalitan mo yung ano sa likod, tapos
front
iba yung
grill,
color nung
iba.
front
Pero it's
grill.
fine. It's a small thing. Pero 5,000 pesos. It's oh my god.
Ay,
Like
ikaw,
the
Nicole,
values
what do you
there.
think? Ngayon na,
Ganda nung ano eh.
nahawak-hawakan mo na.
Na-fondle ko na siya. Gusto ko yung build niya. It's very, very good.
Diba, it doesn't feel 5,000
It does not.
Yun nga yung kinoment dito. Yung earpiece grill,
Kakulay
kakulay na
din
yung
ng cover.
cover. Paano pag bumili ka ng ibang cover?
So sabi ko sa'yo, may ma-OC dun eh.
Sino nag-comment nun? Para naman bati natin.
Jeremiah
Jara.
Jara.
Hi,
Jeremiah
Jeremiah
Jara.
Jara. Thank you for your comment.
Parang
Binabasa namin yung
pangalan
comments nyo, ha?
ni God yun yung mga Jehovah something. Di ba? Jehovah Jireh. Parang gano'n. Okay, ano pa? Actually,
It's a good
yung
phone.
nagpapaano lang talaga sa akin is that issue with the SD
The right to the SD card. Pero it's a software
I
issue,
mean,
I think.
Yeah.
to casual phone users,
That's fine.
that it's perfect na.
Yeah.
I mean, to anybody who just wants to tweet, take
Yeah,
pictures,
yeah.
Facebook, Instagram, take videos, not necessarily game. Kasi ako, I don't play games on my phone eh. That's why I have a laptop. That's why I have a PS3, soon to be PS4, when I find a reason to buy a PS4. Until today, wala pa rin eh.
Wala pa.
So, dun ko nakukuha yung gaming fix ko. Siguro for the phone, dati Plants vs. Zombies, yung mga casual time wasters lang. Pero yung hardcore 3D games, parang hindi naman masyado eh. But then again, it boils down to preference. Kaya I think some people naman really look for their gaming fix on their mobile devices.
I think it's more of, kasi that's what they have on hand when, for example, they're traveling in the MRT or they're commuting. They need to...
At least pag yan nanakaw sa inyo.
Hindi kayo iyak ng...
Hindi, masakit pa rin naman ng 4.9 pero at least it's not an iPhone.
Yeah.
Yes.
Diba? And yung problema nga lang feeling ko, kasi diba yung mga ibang nanakaw ngayon, picky, choosy. Ilang beses ko na narinig eh. Alam mo yung sad part ito, kaibigan ko na nakawan lang recently. Pinost ito sa Facebook. Hindi ko alam kung ma-flatter dapat sa Cherry Mobile o ito, sobrang interesting storya. Nanakawan siya sa FX.
Okay.
Tapos tinutukan siya ng kutsilyo nga lang eh. Pero syempre, since ayaw niya na ng gulo, pinabuksan sa kanya yung bag niya. May nakita akong 2 telepono.
Okay.
Yung isang telepono hindi kinuha. Tapos guess nyo na lang alin yung hindi kinuha. Yung 2 telepono niya, isang BlackBerry Bold 9900 na color white. Maganda tingnan. Tapos isang Cherry Mobile Apollo. Alin yung kinuha?
Yung Apollo.
Yung Apollo. Malay mo, hindi naman kasi niya alam Cherry Mobile.
Ouch, di ba? Ouch! Parang imagine mo yun. Parang ang sakit. Hindi ko ma-imagine kung ano yung pakiramdam. Siguro at that point in time, Mike Lazaridis ba yun? Ano yung pangalan mga founder ng BlackBerry. Ay, buhay pa pala sila. Sabihin ko, turn in their grave.
Buhay pa.
Buhay pa sila! Buhay pa!
Pero masaya siya kasi parang sabi niya, at least though yung main phone niya, which was the BlackBerry, survived the incident.
Okay.
Pero yung Apollo daw niya, nakuha niya second hand for 3.5.
Wow.
Yun
din actually yung isa value para sa phone. Apparently, ang resale rate ng local phones are a lot lower and they depreciate way faster than
Totoo yan, lalo na when you're talking about the above 10,000 smartphones.
Yes, sobrang bilis.
Kanyari yung Cosmos series ng Cherry Mobile, just search a sulit. People are selling it for 6,000, 7,000, not that high, di ba? Pero siguro that makes the argument also when to buy phones like this, no? Oh, what does that bode for the 16,000 peso Star Mobile?
Dun.
Di ba?
Pero, I mean, sa akin lang, the way I look at it, if you buy something, local brand that's above 10,000, you better keep it and not sell it. Kasi parang mababad trip ka lang pag binenta ka kasi ilolowball ka ng lahat ng tao.
Yeah, and they keep churning out models almost on a monthly basis.
Like, we can't even keep up. Parang talong-talo nila yung mga international players sa dami ng nilalabas nila. As in, talagang,
siguro
oh my God.
Pero kung wala sila, wala tayong traffic.
Actually.
Hindi, siguro kung tinarak ni GSM.
We love you, Cherry Mobile. Love you, Star Mobile.
Please release more phones over your Facebook accounts.
So we can write more stuff.
And generate more traffic.
More traffic.
Pero I swear, like the Rio, have you seen the numbers for the Rio?
Yeah, wild.
For the unboxing and the initial post, it's crazy. Maklase.
So siguro yun lang, no? We recommend it, but with a cautionary advice na if you're looking for a phone that can do heavy gaming, it might not be the best one for you.
Although, just wait for, parang, I remember Cherry Mobile sending us a invitation for the official launch of the Rio. So,
Cherry Mobile.
Sorry, my phone. My phone.
Pero alam mo, okay pa yan eh. May isa kaming show. Nandun si Katz. Si Katz is the marketing manager of...
At flame ka ng flame.
At Star Mobile. Hindi, tas parang sabi ko, tignan mo itong ganyan. Tas basta minix up ko Cherry Mobile tsaka Star Mobile.
Yung may nagpaparepair ng Apollo ata or something.
Parang napanood ko ata.
So, Katz, ano gagawin natin dito? Ganyan. Ay, Star Mobile ka pala.
Pero anyway, as I was saying, my phone actually sent us an invite for the official launch of the Rio. So, malay nyo, by that time, they actually watched
Dapat may segment tayong ganun, no? Research nga natin. Parang the top 10 most beautiful women in tech. Tapos the top, well, ikaw na tsaka si Alora mag-decide, no? Top 10 most guwapo men in tech.
Obviously, hindi kami kasama doon.
Hindi, kasama ko dyan. Oh.
Naka-close up na nga sa'yo eh.
Oh, bagong gupit yan, bro.
Bagong gupit yan.
Thank you, Felipe and Sons for my haircut. Wow. Really nice barbershop. Wow. To those who are in Makati, fantastic service. May kape. Tas the other night, tumutugtog pa. Oh, iced tea din, pare. Tas tumutugtog pa Up Dharma Down last time pumunta ako. What? Saan ka nakita barbershop tumutugtog pa Up Dharma Down?
Wait,
huwag mo na tanongin.
Ayun!
Basta kada ganyan, lasap-lasapin mo. Parang tawad sabay mo ng head gestures. Parang, yes, cut my hair some more.
Sabi ko na kami.
Yan yung mga sinusulit mo, yung mga tipong you grow your hair for like 7 months. Kasi lang, papagupit
If
na
you don't
ako.
have a haircut like every month naman, okay lang.
Oh, di ba meron na lang pala tayong 2 minutes. Oh, di ba?
Meron?
Oh, yeah. Oh, but anyway, siguro to wrap things up, again, echo lang namin, no? Kasi ayoko naman mislead yung readers. Now, why we're very, very happy and kumbaga super impressed with the value that the Rio proposes. Take note na that yung installation to the SD card
Is
Not
allowed.
Oo. So ako, I would like to take this opportunity na malay nyo nanonood sila Dario tsaka si Mr. Jaime, yung president ng MyPhone. Kasi alam ko every now and then they watch
Yeah.
Lalo na if we put MyPhone in the title. So, lagyan natin dito
Yes.
All caps, MyPhone Rio criticisms. With a Z, zisms. O, di ba? Parang ganon. Sabihin natin sa kanila na, yun nga, it's a really, really good phone.
Yes.
But, please issue a software update.
For the...
And until they make the statement na there is a software update coming, we cannot 200% recommend it to everybody. We can recommend it to a lot, but not to everyone.
Pero with that update, would you recommend it?
Oo naman, wala nang talo. Imagine mo 5,000 ganito. Parang hello, lahat ng... Ako, una kong gagawin, dahil 5,000 siya, lahat ng well, isa lang naman kasambahay namin. Pero may dalawa akong driver. Bilang ko sila tig-isa nito. Diba 5,000 na lang eh. Parang hindi na siya ganun kasakit eh. Sa kakabali ng mga yun, di ba lamang pwede na rin, bigyan ko lang sa telepono. Di ba parang...
Yes.
So, pero imagine mo at 5,000 and hopefully, ay naks, pero in fairness, si driver ko, si Julius kasi nakaano yan, Cherry Mobile Omega.
Wow.
Tapos ang ginagawa niyan sa akin, minsan tinetext ko, nasan ka na? Tapos sabi, hindi siya nagre-reply. Tapos biglang sabi niya, sir, kasi naka-telco A ako, tapos naka-telco B ka, baka delayed. Sabi ko, sige. Sabi niya, sir, susunod gusto mo, Viber mo na lang ako.
Online!
Say mo!
Viber?
Already, Manong.
Grabe!
Haba ng hair. Papalmole
Pero
din.
the best ito the best. Tung kanina, di ba may meeting tayo somewhere here na building. Hindi ko sabihin ko saan kasi medyo basta may meeting kami here. Hindi ko alam kung saang street. Anak ng tipaklong, naka-on yung Waze.
Wait! May
Saan ka pa?
Amazed ako na may data connection.
Hindi, ako yung nagbabayad ng data niya. Okay lang naman.
Still, at least
Pero ito yung the
connected
best.
na
Kilala niyo si John, ikaw kilala mo si Johnny, di ba? John, ikaw kilala mo si Johnny. Johnny is our, hindi nakakasambay sa akin yung part of the family. She took care of me when I was small. So imagine nyo, nabubuhat niya ako dati. Ngayon, feeling ko hita ko, hindi niya na kaya buhatin. But anyway, si Johnny's been here with us for the longest time of her life.
Yes.
And yung one of the gifts I gave her was parang one of those tablets na 8 inches. Para i-upgrade ko na siya from her telpad. In fairness, alam mo, nag-benefit kami. Alam mo ginagawa niya? Nagre-research ng recipes. The other day, alam mo, nung ulam namin, beef with broccoli.
Wow!
Di ba? Yun nga lang, yung broccoli, mukhang nag-shrivel up. So, there are still points for improvement. But anyway, sorry, we're wrapping up. But anyway, so siguro that's a great way to wrap up now. We started talking about yung 20th birthday ng internet, and it looks like this is the future talaga of the Philippine internet. Naks! Suave.
Gandang
The mobile phone. And I firmly believe that most Filipinos talaga will really get a chance to see the benefits and feel the benefits of the internet for the first time. Not on their desktops, not on their laptops, but on their mobile devices. So a word of encouragement to all the manufacturers, MyPhone, Star Mobile, Cherry Mobile, Torque, sino pa ba?
SKK.
Tas yung weirdong ini-endorse ni Manny
ZHN, KBS
na
Mobile.
sinungaling.
Huh?
Di ba nga sabi nila super AMOLED? Pero next time na yan. But anyway, yung point ko lang, to all of you guys, we highly encourage you to keep on doing a good job, and we hope that you have more sales to come.
Yep.
And we will play our part in really promoting the stuff we think kumbaga deserves the money
And more groundbreaking
of the
products.
consumers.
Yes.
And we hope for more stuff like this. Alam mo, MyPhone, nagkakamot
Grabe.
ng ulo
Oh my
ang
God.
competitors
Wala
ninyo
akong
for this
masabi
one. As in, nagkakamot. We spoke not just to one, but to several. And all of them are saying, what the toot? Diba? So,
Alright.
parang awan nyo na mag-issue na kayo ng
Update.
software
If
update.
you have that update, oh my God.
With that, I would like to thank you again, guys. Next week, please watch out. Our guest will be Miss Kim from Kim Store.
Kim Lato.
And hopefully the week after that, a few other guests as well. Maraming product launches na coming, so we'll definitely be having more people on the show. And with that,
Bye.
napaka-anticlimactic ng babay natin. Ano?
Bye.
But anyway, thanks everybody. See you again next week. Peace.
Bye. Kamsamida.
Bango na.